Hello traders, this is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, I want to chat with you this morning, not about my charts or anything, but I want to talk to you about something that is so fundamental to your success as a trader. And you have got to do this if you are going to be successful here. And I am making this video because I'm hearing from people who are struggling so hard with this, and I've been there and it breaks my heart in pieces. But I want to tell you that if you are going to be successful at trading, you must cut bad trades. There is no other way to be successful here unless you happen to be able to get all of your trades right 100% of the time. But let me tell you something. The second account that I blew up, my win to loss ratio was 94% wins to 6% losses. That means that I allowed 6% of my losing trades to eat up the profits from 94% winning trades. And the problem that I had then was that I allowed the bad trades, obviously, duh, I allowed the bad trades to run too long, and I cut the winning trades too short. But now I know that I had all that backwards. And I'll tell you, this morning I have cut 3 bad trades already this morning. Let me show you where I was. And this is the Euro USD. I mean, you know, pretty much it's going to be the standard Euro USD 5 minute and the Euro USD 1 minute on this morning. But at any rate, I tried to go short this morning. I kept trying to go short, and you can see I kept getting stopped out. And so once I broke above this resistance level, I decided I was going to go long. And within, I guess, the last seconds or so, this thing came crashing back down. And yeah, I found myself on the wrong side of the trade. But because of the signal and because we couldn't sustain that momentum above that resistance level, I immediately cut that and look for an opportunity to get back in on the short side. And you can see where I got back in on the short. But guys, if I had not cut that trade, even though I got stopped out 3 times before I got it right, so it took me 4 times to get it right this morning. But let me tell you, I have gotten all that money back and then some. I'm a little bit, maybe a little more than a little bit above where I was as far as starting the day off. So I hadn't had a rabbit out of the cage kind of day, but I've made everything back and then some. And guys, that is the secret to being a successful trader. Some days it is just about preserving your capital, and my goal, of course, is to make about 10% on my account today. So I hadn't quite made it there yet, but I'm working on it, and I'm working hard on it. But guys, I'm going to tell you, if there is a secret to trading success, it is learning to trade with consistent discipline. And I'll also tell you, I don't know what my win to loss ratio is now, but I don't care. I don't need to tell people that that I have a big winning ratio. What I need to tell people is, or my lifestyle needs to tell people, or my trading needs to tell people, is that I would rather be rich than to be right. And you have to decide whether or not you want to get the accolades of other people because you have a big win to loss ratio, or whether you want to live the lifestyle that you're worthy of. Guys, just thought I'd bring you this video, and I just want to say, trade with consistent discipline. If there is a holy grail in the market, it is trading with consistent discipline. Discipline is the holy grail in the market. Guys, I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. And don't forget, you're hearing from somebody who's been broke multiple times. So if I can do this, I promise you anybody can do this. Guys, you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific trading week.